Hey everyone, it's Blake Bundy here from Winning Solutions Inc. And today I will be bringing you guys another Microsoft Access Expert Template walkthrough. I will be showing you guys where to find the template database on our website, how to download the template database demo, and how to use the demo properly. Most of our templates are not designed to be used on their own. Instead, they are designed in a way that makes it simple and smooth to integrate it into an already existing database that you have already been using. You can also build a more robust Microsoft Access database that is built around one of our templates. If you would like to create a new database that is based off of one of our templates and don't know how or do not have the time to do so, let us know and we would be happy helping you with getting the database that 100% fits your needs. With most of our templates that we offer, there's 3 different versions that you can purchase. A compiled runtime version, one for internal use, and one for unlimited developer use. Our compiled runtime version is a run-as-is version without the paid full version of Microsoft Access using the free Access runtime from Microsoft. It can be integrated into your existing Access application, but you would not be able to make any modifications to the forms, the reports, the modules, etc. This option is more for those of you who do not see any need to make any customizations to the template. Our internal use version allows you to use or modify the databases however you wish within your organization. And last but not least, our unlimited developer use version allows you to use the database template however you wish for any applications you develop and distribute the template as part of a database you create. Winning Solutions Inc.'s templates have a strong advantage over shrink wrap software that you purchase from a store or website. With our templates, you receive the source code along with your purchase, so you are able to customize and update the database as you please. With shrink wrap software, you do not receive the source code when purchasing the software, which means that you cannot update or customize the database as you wish. In our video today, we will be working on a demo version of our database template. A demo is a simple way that you can view and try out our database templates so that you can determine if you would like to purchase it or not. This is great for customers due to the fact that all of our sales are final. Our sales are final because when we give you the source code when you purchase the template, and once we give you the source code, there is really no way that you can return the code. If you'd like to test out our demos for multiple days, you are free to do so. All you have to do is leave the database open so that the data you enter will not be wiped. That is because our demos are designed so that once you close the demo, all the data that you have entered will be wiped from that database. You have to purchase the full version if you would like to save your data that you have entered. Upon downloading a demo for one of our templates, you will have to unzip the downloadable file. Zip files make it much easier to send and download large files over the web. Unzipping a file is a very simple step. All you have to do is extract the file so that you have access to the uncompressed file. If you do not know how or do not understand how to unzip a file, check out our YouTube channel and watch the How to Unzip One of Our Files video tutorial to learn this simple step. The link to that video will be in the description of this video. So now, let us get into downloading and testing out one of our templates. We're going to start off here by going to our website at microsoftaccessexpert.com. As you can see, I have been here before. On the top of our website, there's going to be a toolbar with all the various ways that you are able to contact Winning Solutions Inc. You're going to want to click on the sidebar button on the left side of our homepage that is labeled Database Templates for Sale. A sublist then opens up and you need to select the Database Templates List button to view the list of all of our templates that we offer. The list is broken up into categories. The different categories that we currently have are our most popular ones, appointment and scheduling databases, calendars databases, reservations and booking databases, contact and communications databases, task management databases, equipment and maintenance tracking databases, sales databases, employee databases, education databases, small business databases, and last but not least, database tools, and miscellaneous templates. And today we're going to be taking a look at a Microsoft Access database template that is not even on our website yet. It's a brand new one. It is called the Microsoft Access Hairdresser Appointment Tracking Database. Now, when this database template is added to our websites, it will be located where all of our other database templates are, on our database templates list page. What you'll need to do is you'll need to find this specific database template on that page, and once you find it, go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, you need to download the demonstration that correctly corresponds with the current version of Microsoft Access that your computer is running on. Once you download that demo, open the file, and this is a screen you will be opened to. And you need to extract all of that file, so hit extract all. And there we go, and then hit extract. So once you've extracted that file, go ahead and open the file now. So this database template would be perfect for if you're a hairdresser and you need to keep track of all your customers and all of your appointments. However, if you like this database template but maybe you're not a hairdresser, you work someplace else, contact Winning Solutions Inc. because we can edit and customize this database template to make it compatible for any type of employment that you are working. So to get started here, we are going to add a new customer, and we're just going to fill out the bare minimum for the sake of this demonstration. So we're going to fill out a name, email, and phone number. But as you can see, you can fill out a ton of information on this page. You can fill out pictures, you can input a picture of the customer. You can input the address of a customer. You can fill out notes, payment history, call history, appointment history, a ton of different stuff. It is a really detailed section. So, like I said, this is all we are going to fill out for now, just for the sake of the demonstration. So we're going to go ahead and hit save and close. And as I'm moving through this database template demo, you'll notice that you will see some other data that is already in this database template. That was just added by us for the sake of a demo. If you purchase a database template, you'll be able to implement all of your data yourself, and none of that will be there. So we're going to now search for the customer. And as you can see, you can search by tons of different criteria, but we're going to keep it simple. Just search by that first name here, and we're going to hit search. And that customer I just created, test, there they are. That is the one I'd created. And like I said, this is just a test customer that we created for the sake of a demo, but we're going to work with the one that I had just created. So if you double click this, you can go back and view this record, and you can edit any of this information if you like. So maybe you wanted to know how many previous appointments you had with a specific customer, or maybe what they looked like. You can just simply search for that customer within the database template, and you can find out all the information. We're not going to do any of that for now, so go ahead and close out of that. And so now I'm going to show you guys how to create an appointment. So if you go to the calendar view, you'll open up in the in the daily view. So today, April 29th, 2016, this is the daily view. But as you can see, we have a weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, and month or day view. And so there's lots of different views, lots of cool ones. But we're going to go back to the daily view to make the appointment. So we're going to make it from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. So just simply double click in this time slot right here and select the customer the appointment is for. We're going to use the one I just created, test. And the hairdressers, like I said, this is just test data that was put in here for the sake of a demo. You'll be able to put in all your own hairdressers. We're going to keep it simple and just pick hairdresser 1 and location 1. And the type, we're going to say it's an individual haircut. Generally, you probably don't do a group haircut, but you never know. You might have different people at different stations within a hair salon. So hit individual, and as you can see, that was $50, and that causes the invoice amount to also update. So we're going to make it from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. like I said. And you can fill out any notes you want. You know, I'll just type in a bunch of random stuff just to fill it out. But you can fill out anything you want within that section. And you can even, if you're going to have multiple workers, like I said, multiple workers work on as a hairdresser or on the specific appointment. So if I maybe had put in group instead of individual, you could fill out other workers or employees that you're going to have work on this specific appointment. And you can even fill out the payments of how the person's going to pay for the appointment. So it's pretty detailed. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to select a custom color. And the reason I'm doing this is for organizational issues. So if I hit save and close, you notice, look at that. It shows up in that nice bright green color. The reason that's significant is because if you were going to have multiple appointments back to back to back, or maybe multiple appointments at the same time, if they were all the same color, you wouldn't be able to tell when one ended and when one began, and if they were the same appointment or different appointments. So the color coding is really significant, and it's important to color code all your appointments. I'll go ahead and show you guys what that looks like on the monthly view.
There we go, we got that bright green appointment right there, and you can even double click it if you want to zoom in to that day and maybe go back and double click this again and edit some information about the appointment. So to me, it's a pretty detailed database. It can do a lot of stuff. It's really powerful. Go ahead and close out of that for now. So now you can also search for that appointment, just like you can search for the customer. You can search for the appointment. So you can search by subject, location, start date, end date, or the hairdresser. So like I said, if you're going to have a ton of appointments on a specific day and maybe you want to know all the appointments you have on that day, simply just type in a search date and run that search. Or maybe you want to know, maybe you have 3 different hair salons. You want to know all the ones at location 1 for that day. You can do that. I'm going to keep it simple and I'm going to search by location. Go ahead and hit run search. And now that appointment that I had created shows up. Look at that. Individual, location 1, test as the customer, hairdresser 1. And you can even double click it if you want to open it back up in the calendar view and go back and edit any of the information you want. I will not for now. Go ahead and close out of that. So, like I've said, it's a pretty detailed database. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to thank you guys for taking your time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough brought to you by Winning Solutions Inc. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for tons of other walkthroughs and tutorials. As always, contact us with any of your IT needs, whether it be programming that you needed, you want to customize the database template, you want to buy a database template, anything. Contact us whenever you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to post our contact information in the description below of this video. Also, you can find us on any social media platform. Feel free to follow us or like us on any of those websites. We post quite frequently. Once again, thank you guys for taking your time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough, and have a great day.